For everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture.
Let's
not even talk about it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Today we're going to be filming a look with none other than the Jackie Aina palette from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills, and the palette is so beautiful. Like, I don't even want to just limit it to people that are like me and Jackie's complexion, because we're kind of like around the same complexion. The palette is bomb, okay? Like the warm tones, the pigments, just everything. And can I just let y'all know, like, obviously I'm wearing a coat today. I stand for Wiggalese. Like, Wiggalese is so perfect, but you know, you guys are going to see that. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the clip so you guys can see how I created this look. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, tell your family and friends, all of the stuff that I usually say at the end of the video, but I'm going to say it in the beginning to remind y'all. Let's go ahead and get to the clip.
Starting off with my LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, I'm using this to prime my eyelids, and I'm blending it out with my e.l.f. concealer brush. I believe this is like $3 at Walmart, and then I set it with my Airspun Naturally Neutral powder, so that way the shadows will have something to stick to. Now, the star of the show is the Jackie Aina palette. Obviously, you guys can tell by the title. The first shade I'm going to grab is going to be Edges, and I'm just using a Ruby Kisses brush to pack that onto the outer third of my lid. And once I get that color packed on the outer corners, I like to go in with my Sonia Kashuk brush. I got this from Target. I want to say it was like $10. Not sure the numbering, but I'll definitely make sure I try to leave it down below. But I'm just using that to blend out edges so that way it's not as harsh. And then the next shade that I'm actually going to grab from the palette is Ginger. Ginger is more of like a lighter orange, and I use that to help blend out edges so that way edges wouldn't come across so harsh, because I definitely wanted to make sure Wiggalese stood out, but you know, I needed edges and ginger for the backdrop before I just drop Wiggalese off on y'all. Can we just take a moment for this color? Like, the pigmentation, honestly, the reason why I'm not reacting is because I did try to film this look a couple months ago, but I really hated my hair. But the pigmentation on Wiggalese, oh my god, like, y'all don't understand. I am obsessed with this color. The first time I ever saw it, Jackie was like in a white robe. I don't know what she was getting ready to go to, but she posted a picture and I was like, wow. I took a screenshot, had it in my phone and everything. And then when she started to tell us like all of the times that she used the palette, I'm like, that's what that shade was. And that's really what made me buy the palette. I absolutely love Wiggalese. But now that I'm, you know, rambling, let's get back into the tutorial. I'm taking some of Ginger and Edges and basically blending it into the inner corners of my eye, so that way Wiggalese does a smooth transition. And then on the outer third, again, I'm taking Credit, and this is like another, like a thicker smudge brush from e.l.f. as well, and I'm kind of just doing that on the outer corners to kind of give a little bit of shape to the eye. And yeah, so with that being said, I went back over that Credit color with Edges again and blended that on top, and then I'm also sweeping Edges under my lower lash line, and that's just to set a base for the eyeliner you guys are going to see me use here in a second. So the eyeliner that I'll be using, I'm not sure if it's sold here, but obviously if you have a really good black kohl liner, just use that. But this here is from the CoverGirl Queen collection, and I'm like, this is my favorite. Like, the Vivid Impact line was so bomb. So I'm just tight lining, and then of course after I tight line, I go back in and I blend out the eyeliner. And I used Ginger this time to kind of buff that color out, and then I went back in to try to intensify it a little bit more, and basically just playing with it and getting it to my liking. So yeah, this is what you guys are going to see me do in a second, pretty much just playing between the shadows and that liner. Now, once I'm done with my under eye, I like to go under with the Micro Smooth powder and basically dust away any of that excess powder. I like using a colored powder because sometimes when you use like a white translucent, it can kind of leave that cast, and we don't want to look ashy. So I'm using Credit, and instead of doing like actual eyeliner, I'm literally just lining my eyes with Credit and, you know, giving her a little shebang. And if you are OG to the channel, you already know the Lancôme Monsieur mascara is my jam. If you have bald headed lashes like I do, let me tell you something. you need this mascara. You also need these lashes that's $5.99 from your local hair store. Don't these lashes look good, y'all? Like, these lashes look so good. Last but not least, I'm grabbing Zamn from the palette, and like, Zamn, like, this color is bomb. Like, I can't wait to do a look with Zamn. It was like the perfect inner corner shade to complement Wiggalese. Like, I was so obsessed with this look. I took so many pictures these days. But, you know, I don't want to start rambling too much because I actually can't see the clips and I'm trying to narrate this. Oh, there we go. So, girl, you always want to make sure you spray your face so that way everything just kind of melts into the face. And why would I do a makeup tutorial featuring something of Jackie Aina's and not add LeBron's? LeBron's is still that girl. So yeah, I'm using LeBron's to highlight on all the highest points of my face. And then last but not least, you guys, if you're an OG to this channel, you also know what this lip product is as well. It is my Nicka K Cocoa Lip Liner. I got to keep those on deck. It's either this or chestnut. Usually it's cocoa. And then I'm using my Aaliyah Try Again lipstick. And it's so bomb. It's like the perfect cool tone nude. And after I apply this lipstick, I do like to, you know, go in and line again. Now, I need y'all to thumbs up this video and comment down in the comment section and express y'all disdain for NYX for discontinuing the Intense Butter line. Do y'all not understand how much I loved Cinnamon Roll? It was the perfect black girl nude. Like, this is anti-black of them. Like, why would they do that? So the last lip product I'm going to be using is my Fenty Beauty Bomb Gloss, and this is in the shade Diamond Milk. It's so bomb. I feel like it's the perfect topper to any lip combo, and it just kind of gives it that extra little, you know, gives it a little flavor or whatever. But yeah, that's the last product, and everything will be listed down below for you guys.
That's it for the look, guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed this look just as much as I do. Congratulations, Jackie. I am super late with filming a look from the palette. I did purchase it on the 15th when it actually came out in stores. I just did not like the footage. My hair was a mess, and you know, that's cool because I absolutely love the way that this look turned out. And yeah, like, the palette is amazing, the pigmentation is amazing. Anastasia was kind of falling off a little bit as far as like their palettes and the pigmentation. I know that it was a really bad issue with the Subculture palette. Mine's per se wasn't like faulty like everybody else was claiming that theirs were, but I have kind of noticed the difference in the formula. But Jackie palettes watch beautiful, and I'm not just saying that because she's Jackie. But you know, the palette is amazing, the color story is beautiful, and once again, congratulations. If you guys like to see me film more looks with this palette, please leave it down below in the comment section, and I will definitely get those looks out to you all. I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys so much.